Blackout650 Gaming here, and welcome back to my room here. There's Adobe Premiere, looking all cool and shit. So, I decided I'd start a little series here real quick. It's not gaming related. It kind of has to do with stuff like this. My preamp there and my microphone. Cheap pile of crap microphone, by the way. I talked into my phone as though I'm using its audio. So anyway, recently I went to the antique store. And I found this thing. It's like, oh, that's cool. Sure, microphone mixer. I mean, it's a well-known brand. They make good stuff. I mean, also the microphone one is stiff, but whatever. They all turn. All that fun stuff in the back. All that cool crap. Spent $45 on it. Cool switch and everything. Got a little light. So, if this were in focus, that'd be cool. So I got it home, plugged it in, flipped it on, and the light didn't turn on. So I was like, oh, that's weird. It's probably just a loose wire or something. So I open it up. Nothing looks loose. I have it plugged in. Power switch turned on, like a genius. And I'm poking at it with multimeter, voltmeter, whatever you want to call it. And poking it, I got the ground there and whatever. I've tried to stick it in there because, like, the wires for the light go down in there somewhere, it looks like, I don't know. But apparently I touched something that wasn't supposed to be touched with as much power as it got. Because, focus, I'm also not talking into the microphone anymore because I'm a genius, again. As you can see, there used to be a resistor there. Resistors nowadays look more like these blue things, but I don't have any that are the same, but yep, it was one of these resistors, essentially. It's a 10 ohm resistor, which is why it blew up so spectacularly and easily. But it's also right next to this capacitor, which is not good, but whatever. So that blew up, which is why there is now a stain from some, what is it? Frank's Red Hot Sauce. That's why that's there now. Because I had a Hot Pocket sitting over here on top of this roll of paper towels, and I stand up quite quickly, hit the plate, the fucking paper towels go flying, so there's a Hot Pocket. I'm like, what the hell? Anyway, so now I'm going to try and repair it, because I spent $45 on that damn thing, and I want it to fucking work. So as we stare at my desk, ignoring the lumber, I've started an email to Sure Service just to see what they're gonna say. So since it won't focus, I'll just read it to you. The subject is microphone mixer model M68 blown resistor. Oh, and now it's focusing. So I doubt you guys /girls/otherwise, just to cover all my bases, over there at Sure would do anything with this, but I figured I'd ask anyway. So we're gonna finish this email. So just gonna chill here. Well, that's a comma. It's not typing anyway. I'm still in that thing. New line. All right. Gotta type with one hand because I don't have anything to hold my phone. We'll actually zoom in a bit. So I can't hit that. Oh, gotta get that. Why did that do a slash? That was I. Whoa. Oh, because I did Control I and it's making it italicized. I recently got... Here, you know what? We're going to set you down right here, like so. And you can just stare off at this clock. Brilliant. Actually, I guess I could probably just turn this around and have it do this. There we go. You can look at the camera. Brilliant. Recently got one of your old microphone mixers. But the power light was not turning on. So I poked and prodded at it with a multimeter and blew up a 10 ohm resistor. Let me see if I look at it real quick, if I got any more information. I have no idea. Anyway, cool. I was wondering if I could send Spacey, send it to you and have it repaired. Whoa, repaired. That's how we spell. I know you can't see anything, but whatever. I understand fully. No comment if you cannot, as it is quite old. But, like I said, I figured I'd ask anyway. And I'm sure, why did I capitalize that? Sure, you'll get a kick out of this as well. Because it's kind of funny, because, like, why is this a thing that I'm doing? Anyway, so, yeah, let's send that. Check out that waveform. Anyway, ooh, colors just got really weird. Gotta move shit. Send. Message has been sent. So, hey, there we go. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, like, calculate repair costs. That doesn't work, because, oh, wrong thing. This is also useless. Go back. We check service fee list. It's a bunch of modern equipment, microphones, all that shit doesn't exist. Plus tax. It's 6%. Anyway. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this part of this video. I'll keep you updated as things progress. Blackheart650 Gaming here, and welcome back to Microphone Mixer Troubles. So, it has been a little bit since I've recorded one of these, so it's been like a freaking week or something. So, here's what I got. You're not gonna be able to read that. Just look at this thing for now. Go if it would focus. Good morning. Please fill out the repair form, which may be found at blah blah blah, and mail in your item for repair. Best regards. So that didn't help me at all. But I was like, "Are you sure? Are you sure about that?" Because I did a little bit of research, and apparently this is like 60s or 70s stuff. This guy still sticks a bunch. Yeah, so 60s, 70s, didn't think they'd actually do anything about it. So, and then I was like, I just want to clarify, so it is a 1960s, 1970s micro mixer, resistors exploded, maybe taking out the capacitor next to it, not sure, an estimate or repair cost. Since the pricing guide didn't cover this, they use a flat rate kind of thing, which is kind of cool, but, you know, whatever. So I was like, alright, sent that, and unfortunately not on the flat rate list. This is not grammatically proper. Hello. Unfortunately not on the flat rate list, the SCM268 is a direct replacement for the model M68, which I guess makes sense. Best regards. So basically, we want the price to repair the SCM568 or 268. So I looked it up. I'm not going to do that on the computer because you can't see shit anyway. And $123 for a resistor. So I was like, no. I didn't say anything, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bother with that shit, isn't it? So then I decided I'll just buy myself a soldering iron. We already had one, but I wanted one in the stand. And I also bought, where's the box? Some resistors. I already had a bunch of resistors, but I figured, hey, why the fuck not? So I'm going to be using those resistors, this soldering iron, this cheap shitty solder, and so yeah, I also now have 2 Arduinos and 550 more LEDs for something like that. I'll be messing with that in the future. Might do a live stream on it, I don't know. So, I'm going to put you right here. You won't be able to see a whole lot of what's going on, but you'll get an idea. Probably. Yeah, if this would stay upright. Okay. Cool. So I'm just going to see if this will even melt the solder that's on here right now. Actually, here. I want to take the old thing off first, the old resistor if I can. And obviously this is not plugged in. That'd be a very stupidly bad idea. Just even melting this. Ugh. There it goes, now it's starting to melt it. There's the old resistor, now that you can see it. I'm also going to try my fan. Probably going to need a little bit more solder on that. I also need this to be hotter, apparently. Okay. And there's also this bit here. I don't want to undo the wire, though. So we're just going to... I'm sorry, I'm really quiet right now. I'm kind of far from the microphone. I might be able to see it. The footage. Oop, that's the wire. Come on. Okay, so we got that off. Now I really got to clean this thing. So yeah, this is just a super cheap soldering iron, by the way. I think I said that already, but reiterating it. Sponge is now burning. Alright, I got 3 minutes on that, so we're going to let this sit for a second. And I have to find my 10 ohm resistor, so... Actually, I also need to turn this down now, since it doesn't need to be as hot for the solder I'm going to be using. So I'll see you when I find that resistor. Focus. Focus. There we go. But yeah, I got the old resistor chunks off. So I'll see you when I have that new one. Alright. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I found the resistor. I'll show it to you real quick. Actually, I'm going to use a different gun, different one. I already messed that one up a little. Okay, here's the fucking 25 of them, I think. It's 25 or 22? 25. So here's the resistor. I'm really quiet now, I know. You can't see it. It's a 10 ohm resistor. It's a black, brown, or brown, black, black, and then that was a silver. The old one was a silver tolerance, but we're going with a gold, which is 5%. The other one was 10. So it's just gonna go around through there. So let's take our soldering iron. We're just gonna go ahead and shove this on in there. This thing gets real warm real quick. Up on that top bit. There we go, that's through there. Keep going down. Okay, that should be good. We can bend that out of the way. Solidify a bunch. Okay, and we're going to obviously cut off the excess. Actually, I'm going to use these now. Man, that gets hot. Again, super cheap, crappy iron. Sorry about that. Did you enjoy looking at the ceiling for a bit? Man, this thing stinks though. There you go. Whew. I have the fan going for breathing sake. Oh, don't melt the wire, please. Okay, so I I make it easy so that I can just run out in there. So we're gonna melt through here. Take a minute. I know you can't see shit from there, but I don't have anything to put my phone on, so just gonna have to deal with it. Where's the hole? There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna shove this right on in there. Okay. That's solidified there. Okay. I'm gonna turn this all the way down now. Just gonna let this thing cool way down. Okay. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're gonna trim off the excess. This is kind of overkill, but you know, I don't have any other choice. Just kind of squeeze it. Okay. And this has a shit ton of excess. Actually, both ends really did, but whatever. Where'd that go? Interesting. Whatever. Let me see if I can just wiggle this chunk here. Nice. I just kind of give it a squiz. Okay. Now that we got that, we're going to put a little bit more solder on there just so it's safe. Make sure it's actually melting this. So in theory, that is now replaced. I'm going to turn it off. And also turn it down. Okay. That is a hot sponge. Okay. So we're going to let it sit for a second. And you just bend it down out of the way. I'm not touching that. Okay, it's only mildly janky, but hey. As far as I can tell, the worst thing that'll happen is it'll blow up again. And if it does, then I give up and it's just fucked forever. I mean, I do have more resistors, but I'd rather not use all of them. Switch is off. Let's move things away from it to be safe. That's about as away from it as things are going to get. I should probably actually put the top on it. Actually, I don't. I like to put the top on it just to make sure it's not gonna touch. No, it'll be fine. Okay. Let's just do that. I don't know what I think that's going to. I don't know. All right. Let's see what happens. All right, cool. Nothing happened, but it's fine. It didn't blow up. It's not hot, so as far as I can tell, I did it right. So hey, that was that. If you enjoyed this mini-series, I'll have like an update in the future on how this thing goes. I need another wire for it to actually work properly, but it seems like it's good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, go ahead and leave a like. If you didn't, don't leave a like. I'll see you in the next video.